sometimes, like we used to get the question, sir, I am 5th month pregnant, I am 7th month pregnant now. Now I am too late to practice Garbhsanskar. First, you need to understand that it is better to be late than never. And as far as Garbhsanskar Guru application is here, you need not to worry about that, because the course content of Garbhsanskar Guru application is personalized and customized depending on the remaining days by considering your current pregnancy day and whatever qualities you are looking for in your baby. Our team of experts will wisely choose the activities in such a manner so that in upcoming days, whatever activities you are practicing, you can get maximum benefit out of that. So when Garbhsanskar Guru app is here, no fear, you can join the course right now, right away, without further delay, because single minute of delay is ultimately harmful for the baby's development. Please understand that every minute 2.5 lakh neurons have been developing. Considering this, you need to take a call and you can subscribe the course as soon as possible now without taking much delay.
गर्भ संस्कार गुरु, सालों से चल रही हमारी परंपरा और वैदिक विज्ञान का आधुनिक रूपांतरण।